trending news update from NaijaNews TV. PaulO fires back at Spyro, releases proof. Nigerian music promoter and talent manager PaulO has reacted to Spyro's claims that he never made money while signed to the show promoter's record label. In a fresh interview granted, Spyro claimed he was signed to a record label owned by PaulO, who owned 3 Rolls-Royce, but he didn't make a dime in the 2 years he was signed to the label. According to Spyro, he used to borrow money from PaulO whenever he needed something. He stated that PaulO is a kind man but doesn't understand the business of managing a record label. Reacting to Spyro's allegation, PaulO shared a spreadsheet showing payments made on Spyro's behalf while the singer was signed to his record label, and stated he has spent a total of 12 million naira on Spyro but never made any return from investing in the singer. In the same vein, Afrobeat singer Spyro has claimed that publicly proclaiming Jesus Christ in Nigerian music industry comes with challenges.
So the biggest challenge right now would be the fact that will be the discrimination in the industry. You know, I came out with the Jesus Boy brand, and I've received the biggest criticism. I've been dragged. It's hard, bro. It's hard. So how many, if you want to be truthful to yourself, how many media guys, how many media moguls are there that would support me, that post me when I drop songs?
In a recent chat with Echo Room, Spyro shared a personal experience popular R&B star turned pastor Banky W narrated to him. According to him, Banky W stated that his problem in the music industry began after he publicly proclaimed Christ. Spyro stated that being a Jesus boy has led people to deny him goodwill and support in the music industry. My biggest challenge in the music industry right now is discrimination. I came out with a Jesus boy brand and have received the biggest criticisms, he said. Do you see this guy post me? Sometimes I ask myself why, because people who are not doing well as I am, they post them. The answer is simple. Once you come out and declare Christ publicly, you enter a wall. It's like the whole system is designed to pull you down. Banky W told me that his problem started in the industry the moment he proclaimed Christ. He told me to be sure that I'm ready for this. He said when he was a bad boy, everything was going well, but immediately he decided to do it in godly way. War started. In other news, Mrs. Abosade, the mother of the late singer Ilerioluwa, popularly known as Mohbad, and actor Fabiyi, have clashed over the cause of the singer's death. Fabiyi, at a world press conference held on Wednesday at the Radisson Blu in Ikeja, Lagos State, to demand justice for Mohbad, accused the late singer's brother Adura Aloba of messaging him on Instagram, claiming to know the root cause of his brother's death. In response, Aloba denied the claim, stating that Adura wouldn't have known the cause of Mohbad's death and should remain silent. The visibly angry mother pointed a finger at Fabiyi while shouting, "They killed Mohbad, and you want me to lose his brother unjustly? He knows nothing about his brother's death. Don't implicate my son." Mohbad's mother recounted saying, "I am not happy that I lost Mohbad, because if he were alive, I wouldn't be sitting here with you. They took my precious gift away, and I won't let them take Adura too." It was Damola who used Adura's message to Fabiyi. "He confided in me, and I even wanted to take him to court when I challenged him, begging me that he never knew that was how the matter would turn out to be." Fabiyi responded, saying he wasn't concerned about the sender of the message, but rather the content itself, maintaining that he wasn't convinced that it wasn't Adura who sent him the message. "There is no way I would wish Adura or Mohbad any harm if it wasn't Adura who sent the message explaining Mohbad's death. Would you want me to keep quiet? You weren't there when Mohbad died, so you may not know what happened." It's worth noting that on 11th September 2023, Mohbad died in Lagos at the age of 26. In the meantime, veteran Nollywood actress Ngozi Ezeonu has slammed 2 upcoming actresses over their choice of outfit for an audition. NaijaNews reports that the movie star was one of the judges sitting at the audition table when 2 ladies wearing crop tops and leggings came for the audition. Ngozi berated the ladies for not wearing bras and the kind of crop top they are wearing. The thespian added that any day she receives an audition and any lady shows up dressed like these ladies before her, she would disqualify the person.
See, any other day I'm on any audition table and I see a lady dressed like, two of you. No, look at them. And anybody comes in dressed like this, I'll disqualify that person. How can you come to an audition ground without a bra?
We'll continue to supply you more entertainment news stories. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.